Good morning. In this presentation we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today and for this week. Before looking into that, let us see what happened last week and what we expected last week. And the chart which you are viewing is an 1 hour chart. That means all the single candlestick represents 1 hour. And you are seeing this long dropped candlestick that indicates the Monday's price opening, that was on 1st of April. So what we expected was that we expected till 5220 and 5200 the market has got the potential to stay in uptrend. That was our expectation. So what happened after the price opening? The price dropped down and took the support around 5260 and closed higher. The next day also the price took the support around 5260 and closed higher, and also on 3rd, that was the major day. So we know that the price was taking some strong support around 5260, but also it couldn't cross this 5300 zone. So what happened on 3rd? The price couldn't sustain that. It broke this zone and it came down till 5220 and closed near 5200. On the next day we reversed our decision from buying to selling, because on the next day, that was on 4th, the price opened lower. So what we thought was that till 5220 the market will face resistance. So if the price close above 2220 or within this zone, then we can think about buying, unless until we thought that the crude oil has got the potential to reverse its trend. So what happened on 4th was the price opened bit lower and then it went and entered into the key zone of 5220 and 5200, where it got a huge resistance and the price was pushed down. You could see the price came down till 5100, and on 5th also the price continued its trend. So it came down and closed lower and even tested 5060. So all the support and resistance zone, you can see we had marked it earlier. So on Saturday the price opened bit higher, even it gave a spike. So nowadays it is quite happening in MCX. All the Saturdays, in the last Saturday also we saw this type of price action, and today this Saturday also we see this type of price action, and the price was staying within 5100 and 120 zone. Now let us see what we can do today and for this week. The expected price opening is going to be somewhere near the same zone. There is no difference as far as the Mcx price directions are concerned. It may be subjected to changes based on where the rupee is going to stay. Nowadays it is also playing a major role in deciding the price direction. So what we can do today? Two possible things, because after a very big price action, we can say that the last week was highly packed with a huge price action. The last 2 weeks, on the previous week the price, you can see just from 5060 the price went up till 5000. Even on Saturday we got a spike till 5500. So it was a very big price action on the previous week, and last week you can see that that was also a huge price action. So what we can expect for this week? Absolutely, it can be a consolidation. So we need the market to consolidate to think about the decisions. So this is going to be the key consolidation zone and a key decision zone: 5160, 5200, and this zone we have marked. This is the buying and the deciding zone. We could see this average staying within this zone. So unless if you find the price will, if there is any buying, the price initially will come and test 5160. So this zone will be tested, and if there is still some buying, it will go and test this 5200 and 220 zone. If the price fails to test these two zones, then it is going to be the continuation of the complete downtrend. So the market will continue to stay in downtrend. So unless until the price enters or tests the zone, if there is any buying, the market will come, there will be a bounce back, and the price will consolidate within the zone of 5160. There will be some closing for this week within this 5160 and within this zone. If the price fails to test this zone, then it is going to be the continuation of the downtrend. It can maintain, crude has got the potential to stay down, and even it can come down till 5000, and After testing 5000, still you can expect the price to drop heavily. One important fact is that we could predict what we can predict in all these with these technical analysis. We can predict the trend, but we don't know how far the strength of the trend is going to be. We don't know that. Now we can say the price is staying down, but we cannot predict that how strong it will, whether it will come down till 5000 or 4000. We cannot predict that. Only thing we can predict is that it is going to stay in line with the trend. So based upon the available fund you have in your trading account, based upon your strategy, how much returns you are expecting, you can modify, and you can modify that. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. So what we are expecting is that it is very clear: 5160, 5200, 220. This is the key zone. So if the price is not going to enter within the zone, then you can expect the market to show some failures. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.